Hi, my name is Swami. Today we are going to learn an interesting topic, very interesting topic, and it's a game topic. Okay, I'm introducing probability. Just before going to start probability, we have to know certain things. Okay, normally and common. Okay, right? Most of the students we confuse when we read the question. Now, in order to avoid that confusion, I'm introducing first heads and tails. Okay, if a coin is having two sides, isn't it? One side is known as heads, the other side is known as tail. This is a common question we get every time. Then about the dice. So if you see the dice, six sides. Okay, so and the six sides are given names like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you roll a dice, okay, what is the chance we get? We may get 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, here, one item is missing, that is 3 is missing. I did not see that one. Okay, so remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 sides, 6 numbers. These are the two common things we had to learn, and we should aware of this one just before going to start our lesson probability. These are the probability word we use very commonly and unknowingly. Like, is it going to rain today? By seeing clouds, you say probably. That means chances are there or not. The answer is yes and no together. Okay. Okay, right. So let us start with our class. The probability. See this one. Oh, starting with the same one. Rolling a dice and getting 14. How many is rolling here? Two dice. So just now I told you one die is having 6, the other one is also 6. So what is the maximum we can get? 6 plus 6? 12, right? So is there any chance of getting 14 by rolling 2 dice? Answer is no. So impossible. Impossible. The maximum number is 12. Okay. Then coin. If you toss a coin, what is the chance of getting heads? So if you toss, the result will be head or tail. Do we have any third option or third choice? No. So that is an even chance. So 50-50. In other terms, half. Okay. Very good. The third one is the sun will rise. Yes. Is it certain? Yes, 100% certain. Every day sun rises in east. Universally truth. So when you see the probability, you need to connect the words. Impossible, that is more unlikely. Okay, the chances of happening is almost zero. Even chance, half. Okay, then certain, at any cost this will happen. Understand? At any cost this will happen. Good. Shall we move to the other slide? Okay, next one is how likely something is. We'll see that. Probability is how likely something is to happen. You might also hear it called chance. Okay, so how likely something is to happen. How likely something, in something everything will come. You can talk about accidents, you can talk about crop, you can talk about game, you can talk a person coming or not coming. Okay, Then probability can be expressed as fractions, decimals or percentages, or on a probability scale. The probability scale we'll learn in the last. So here you have to focus on fractions, decimals and percentages. Fractions conversion to decimals, and decimals convert to percentages, or fraction convert to percentages. This vice versa will be going on this topic. So make sure that students please work on fractions. If you have any doubts on fractions, please email me, or you can contact through Schoology. I'll upload some more videos on fractions wherever you have difficulty. Now, what is probability? So we can see in 3 points, okay? Probability or chance is how likely something is to happen. Second point, if something has a low probability, it is unlikely to happen. If something has a high probability, it is likely to happen. Understand? So what is probability here? How likely something is to happen. Train comes at 10 o'clock. If train starts at Albuquerque and coming to Belen, so how likely something to happen? If the probability is very low, that means unlikely to happen. If there is no train today, okay, then how it will come to Belen? No chance, right? Yes. If something has a high probability, it is likely to happen. So surely it will happen. So based on that, we are going to make a decision. The probability topic is very important topic, very crucial topic for most of the people. Not only the economy based on this, elections based on this, accidents, insurance, the calculation of insurance based on this. Got the point? So lot of things based on probability. It is a big topic. It is actually part of statistics. I hope we got some idea about it. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the next one. We'll see here. Geet has this spinner. She has one spinner. What is her chance of spinning? The numbers in the boxes below. Match each box to the correct word. One has been done for you. An odd number. Okay, it's talking about an odd number. Let us see the numbers here. You have 4, 3, 6, 5. Okay, 3. It is odd number. Okay, then 5, odd number. 4, even number. Then 6, even number. Okay, if you spin it, what is the chance? 2 odd numbers, 2 even numbers. So half. When you toss a coin, I said not tail and head, half. Now the chance of, when you spin it, what is the chance of getting an odd number? Even chance. Got it? Yes. Next one, 2. If you spin first time, what is the chance you get 2? Is there any way that we can get 2? The answer is no. There is no chance of 2 because it is not starting with 2 and there is no 2 on this spinner. So in that case, what is your answer? It is impossible. It is impossible. Isn't it? Yes. A number less than 10. Okay, good. 3 less than 10. Yes. 5 less than 10. Yes. 4 less than 10. Yes. 6 less than 10. Yes. So whenever you spin, all these 4 numbers are less than 10. Got it? So what will be my answer? Is it likely or certain? It is certain. Understand how to answer it? Okay, good. Oh, good, correct answer. Wow. The language of probability, are you can say vocabulary. Certain. Certain means what? Just now we learned the sun rising tomorrow. It is certain. Definitely it take place. Even chance. Getting tails when you toss a coin. Okay, the vice versa. Getting heads when you toss a coin. Not likely. When you roll a die, okay, 6 on a dice. How many 6 we have on a dice? Only one 6. Out of how many numbers? 6 numbers. So not likely. Always we may not get 6. Impossible. What is that impossible? When you roll a dice, getting 8. Will you get 8 if you roll a dice? A die means only one dice, okay? What is the maximum number on the die? That is 6. So it is highly impossible to get 8. Got the point how to answer it? So what is the meaning of certain, even chance, not likely, and impossible? Hope you understand. Let us see this one. You can spin any number from 1 to 6 on this spinner. Okay. Write a number that is impossible to spin. Impossible to spin on this. Try, think. The next question is like this. Stripped ones are given, spotty are given, white and grey. These marbles are hidden in a bag. The bag is shaken. Pate pulls out one marble without looking it. Okay. So, what kind of marble is Pete most likely to pull out? Most likely. Okay. Explain how you know. When you give an answer, we should support the answer also with a logical reasoning. Okay. So take some time, think the first one and the second one, and I'll go with answers. Any number less than 1 or greater than 6 is impossible on this spin. So because it's starting by 1, ending by 6, so greater than 6 or less than 1, we cannot find on the spinner when you spin it. Come on here. What kind of marble Pete most likely to pull out? Most likely means high chances. High chances. See, stripped only 2 are there. Stripped only 2. Spotty only 1. Gray only 3. And white 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have 6 whites. So when you take out, which marble is most likely to come? The white marble. Is it necessary that white should come out? No, this is a chance. I told you the probability is chance, game theory. The high chances of getting a white. Understand? You may get spotty also, but high chances are for only white. So thank you very much. It's almost 14 minutes long video. Please watch it. I'll meet you in the next video how to do the probability other parts. Thank you very much. Have a good day.